Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Me 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. And US added 261 jobs in October, like we also the news that came out last week, topping the expectation for 200K. All this and more are what we're going to be looking at on today's headline, and this is Crypto Update. All right, US added 261 jobs in October, topping expectation for 200K. Speaking about BTC, Bitcoin hit 7-week high, shrugging off unexpected strong US job report. And also we can see right here, major South African supermarket chain accept Bitcoin payment. And we can see also here that Binance moves to liquidate its entire position in FTX token. We know Binance have investment almost all these coins, and also open interest in FTT futures double as Binance moves to liquidate FTX token holdings. More headlines, guys. UK bank Santander will block payment to crypto exchange, citing frauds, and Santander joins the minority of British banks that are tamping down on crypto investing. Let's check some other headlines out. OpenSea breaks silence on NFT royalties, but creators don't like what they hear. Also, let's check another headline. Success of the open metaverse come down to user experience, says Sandbox CEO. Let's check more headlines on the radar. SEC charges Tradecoin Club for 295 million Bitcoin Ponzi scheme. You have to be careful out there. We can see SBF has been a significant donor in the US midterm election. We're talking about FTX owner, talking about Sam Bankman-Fried. And we can also see CBDCs could reduce FX transaction speed to 10 seconds, says by the New York Fed. Let's check more headline, guys. US lawmaker will hold inquiry to explore NFT regulations. Another headline on the radar: Terra do Kwon may be in Europe, report says, talking about the guy that's been running here and there. Dark side of crypto: 98% of projects listed on Uniswap are scams, so you might want to be careful. Another headlines on the radar: Instagram influencer Jay Mazzini pleads guilty for draining $2.5 million in BTC from fans. You need to be careful out there, guys. Another headlines on the radar is Dogecoin dumps 8% on report that Twitter had paused plans for crypto. Well, you know, I told you when we saw the Dogecoin skyrocketing, I told you if you've not seen the show, the link is around the corner. You can go and watch the show, the Bitcoin and Breakfast show, and we analyze the chart. We told you what you need to know about Dogecoin. Let's go on and see another headline. October finished with 675 million losses from crypto exploit. A lot of hacking has been going on in the world of crypto, and you don't want to fall a victim. You need to be careful, guys. Another headline on our radar is over 50% of America thinks crypto is the future of finance, and I believe so too, because crypto is the future. You know, that was done by Grayscale Study. Let's check 2 or 3 more headlines before we wrap up the headlines. IRS is building hundreds of crypto tax evasion cases. And also we can see crypto rapid growth push Canada to speed up regulations. We know regulations have been hitting the industry. Let's check out NFT news, and we can see FTX Ventures bet on decentralized social media with Lens investment. Thanks for hanging out with me. My name is Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, and these are the headlines on the crypto update. Until I catch you next time, it's peace out.